Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the I Turned My Sister Into Me challenge. As you can see, she looks exactly like me in my opinion. Like, if this is scary for y'all, don't click out of this video because it gets better. It gets better. So I'm turning her into me so she can look like me.
But you look like me.
Okay, she was born a year ahead.
I was born first, so she looks like me.
But this is my channel, so I'm turning her into me. Okay. Into me. So if y'all want to see how I turned her into me, just keep on watching the video. We have the bun game strong. Hello. Mine's real. Hello. Don't be petty.
Can we take that part out?
No. I'm Bianca. I am Bria's sister. My name is Paris Dash, the Paris Dash on Instagram if you want to follow me. And yeah, so she's about to do my makeup. We're about to look alike, but I'm gonna look better. So. What happened to your throat? You got a scar up there?
Yes. I think I hit it on the sink or something.
Damn! But it's going away. It's healing. So for brows, I'm using the NYX. What is this? NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil. And this is in the shade Dark Brown. So, you know, I just comb through them because they are a little, you know, on the more bushier side, but it is okay.
So let me tell you, I went and bought these wax strips from Target, and I was going to do my eyebrows. And they were good. They had like the little cloth on the back and stuff. But when I put it on there, bro, the next day, I had scars. Please don't. I put it on my lip. I didn't know it was going to do this until the next day. And I had like a scar. And then I thought I could hide it. And then Saquon, the next day, Saquon was like, "What's on your lip?" I'm like, "What are you talking about?" He's like, "What is that?" He's like, "Is that a bruise?" I was like, He's like, "Did you wash your lip?" I was like,
Do you watch my tutorials?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the camera while you lying.
I do watch your tutorial.
No, you don't.
I do. I watch the ones on Instagram.
Because they 1 minute.
Well, it's right there, and then it just starts playing, and I just start watching it. What pencil is this? NYX?
Mm-hmm.
This is what you told us to get for Christmas? No. Because I have the little gel thing. From Anastasia.
Is it not dried out? Mine dried out.
I keep my top on it.
Really? What you think I do?
I'm just saying, I don't know why yours is dry. Mine is still good.
So, to prime her skin, we're using the Colourpop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray. Close your eyes. And then for moisturizer, we're going in with the Olay Original Cream Active Hydration. And then for mattifying primers and pore correctors, we're going in with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer and then the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Luminous Matte Primer. So we're just going to put the moisturizer on first so she's not a dry face to hoe.
You're childish.
So now that we have the face primed, we are going to do the eyes. So for eyes, obviously they're going to look like mine. For eyes, I'm going in with the NYX Proofed Eyeshadow Primer and Concealer. Are you touching?
Well, my contacts are getting dry.
So now we're going to set the eye base with a little bit of loose translucent powder. So the first palette we're going in with is the Morphe 350M palette, and we are taking these three shades and using those as the transition color. Because, you know, somebody wanted a more natural look, but it didn't turn out that way.
Who?
You.
When?
You said natural because it's during the day.
You text me and said natural. I said, yeah, because it's during the day. I mean, it only makes sense. It is what? 12 o'clock? 1?
It's not. It's 3 o'clock.
Yeah, but it feels like it's 2. You know that daylight saving thing.
Oh, we already had daylight savings?
Yeah, last night. That's why it feels so late. I mean, so early. That's why I woke up so late.
We got an hour?
Yeah. So technically, like when I got in my car, it said 12:45.
I thought it was called spring.
But when I got
we gained
we gained an hour.
So we're having less sleep.
I mean, technically yes, but I slept too much today because I woke up at 11 instead of 10. That's what I'm saying. We got an hour, so instead of it being 3, it's technically 2. See, why do you have that?
Because they left me.
Wait, what app is this?
The Chick-fil-A app. You don't have it?
How do you get the... No.
You need to get it. They give you free stuff on it.
How do you get free stuff?
They just send it to you.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need it.
This is not a sponsored video, Chick-fil-A, but you know, if you want to sponsor me, that help me.
I'm just waiting for the summer months because the summer months are the best. It's like a milkshake, and then you get like a large 12-piece.
Are you hungry?
You can't tell.
Why are you?
Are you trying to fill in the silence? La 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 la. Did Desire tell you that royalty be watching your videos?
Yeah.
She is one of your
biggest fans. Shout out to Royalty if you're watching this, boo.
Yes, hunty.
Shout out.
You have to show a picture of her right there. She's so bomb. Like, she's like the ideal little girl.
La.
This is why I told you need to have some music down here.
No. Why are you about to laugh? Open. Look at. Damn. So the reason why I make her do that is so I can know where her natural crease is. So when we put the lid color on, you don't get any transfer into the crease. Little technique 101.
Ooh, you so small.
So for the lid color, we are going in with the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. And we are taking this shade right here and using this all over the lid.
Where's the phone? Oh, I have it. Are you about to talk anytime soon? Let's play
Who are you trying to call?
I'm not calling anybody. Let's play some music.
You need to hold your phone up here.
Up where?
So those are the eyes complete. Now we're going to do foundation. So she light-skinned it or whatever.
I'm a red bone.
I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation in 338 because she light-skinned it. So now I'm going to take my Booty Blender and pounce this all over the face. Twerk it on there. And Bianca typically has like normal to dry skin because she got eczema.
Look at these bumps. You got eczema?
I got what?
Got eczema?
Y'all tell my people my secret.
She got eczema, so she got a little bit of dry skin. Let's cover this up.
Don't be like that.
Are you sleeping?
No.
You're breathing. It sounds like Darth Vader. We're going in with the Colourpop concealer in Deep Golden 60. And I'm running out, and Colourpop needs to hurry up and run me my other one.
Did you already order it?
Yeah, they're taking too long. And then on top of that, We're going to go back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So we're going to let that sit on the face because in order to get a snatched highlight and contour, you got to let it sit because that's where you get the most full coverage. So we're going to let this sit for a little minute. So that's enough for the, for the weight.
For the weight. Why would you call it baking?
It's not called baking.
Well, you can use it for the same term, waiting, letting shit sit.
Come on, Ed.
We have to do snap till we can get them excited for the. Let's turn it around. Let's put a filter on. See, I can multitask.
No.
Do you get one?
Yes. Why my face looks so fat?
Because you got a fat face.
No, I don't. Now you're just being rude.
You like that one? You don't like it?
Whatever, I don't care.
Because your face looks fat. It doesn't look fat.
It was. Look at the angle. That fake.
No, it doesn't. We're going to post it.
So to set her under eyes, we're going in with the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark. Did you have to clean my lips dry?
I'm just saying. You already told everybody my bunny red. I got hair. I got hair. So you think? Why you got that man voice, green? So you think?
The Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Palette, and we got to get back here.
I have a baby doll hairline, guys. If you guys don't know what that is, it just means
Did you make that up?
I could have sworn I googled it. I'm pretty sure I saw it on Google, and they called it a baby doll hairline, where it means your hair is like
she got a boy hairline.
Hey, look, yours goes like this. How it's just one little band. Mine's goes like
a buzz
this and doll. A what?
A man. You know how they get the face.
How they get the line up.
Y'all see the contour though? Yes. Like that.
Looking like your tail.
And all the products will be listed in the description box below. So don't be coming up in my DMs talking about what you use. That's how I know you didn't watch the video. Because a lot of y'all be asking me questions that's in the video.
Tell him, Bria.
Ooh, you looking like me though.
I'm looking like me though. Okay.
So we're using these colors right here in the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. Look up. Look straight ahead.
Don't you blow that in my face. Don't you blow that in my face. Don't you blow that in my face. Bria Elise. Can you see?
Now yes. What you mean? You. Look at what she did. Look at this. Look.
You did that.
You just got to wear it as a mole. These are the lashes that we're using. Don't mind that mole on her face. It's going to come off soon. Cosmetic surgery. So now we're going to spray her with the Badescu Rose Water Spray. Do you want to tell the people anything about your life?
I am a fashion designer. So if you guys want to follow me, you can. Like I said, it's the THE Paris Dash. And I do clothes.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Do you have a boyfriend? They know about Tyler.
They want to know about my muffin. I do have a boyfriend. He's my muffin man.
They know about Tyler.
They know everything about Tyler because you've had like 30 videos about Tyler. You
Right,
had Tyler when you...
You need to say how long you been together. Close your eyes.
Been together for 3 years. I don't know. 2-3 years. We met in Florida when we did an Organo Gold conference. And
She not giving you the full details.
Okay, we went to school together.
High school
Together. And my older sister and his brother were friends. Towards like college, we got back together. Not got back together, but we met up. Started hanging out, but he had a girlfriend. And
who was his girlfriend?
But I had a boyfriend at the time, so either way, we weren't doing anything. So I went to school in San Francisco for fashion design, and we stopped talking. And then randomly, one day we went to Florida, Orlando, to do an event for Organo Gold. And I saw his Snapchat, and I was like, bitch, I just used that Snapchat like 2 minutes ago. I just used that filter. So then I sent him a DM. I was like, are you in Florida?
So she hopped in his DM.
Don't do that. And he was like, yeah, I'm in Florida. I was like, oh, shoot, where you at? And then he dropped me his pin, and he was like 2 minutes away. What are the odds? After like 2-3 years.
And now they live happily together in a little home.
Right around the corner in Alfred.
With their 3 children.
Yes.
They got 3 dogs. One's a wolf. One's a pit bull.
And one's a muffin.
Are y'all gonna get married? No. Me and Tyler are getting married.
No, you're not.
There we are.
When?
Soon. Cause he loved me.
I'm gonna get married first.
No, you're not.
Don't. You have to put it in the atmosphere, and then you will receive.
Well, I'll do it after I go first.
No, let me go first. I'm older than you.
Brittany's older.
Oh, I'm about to say something now and be like, look, we on a strict time frame. Ooh, we almost look alike. Come here.
Me and my boo going on a date today.
So I'm going on a date today too. Looking like this. Hello.
For lip, we're just gonna do something nude because she's basic. So that was the NYX lip pencil. This is the matte suede lip pencil in Downtown Beauty. And now we're just gonna go on top of that with the Kat Von D Studded Lips Cream Lipstick. Y'all know I have a review on this lipstick, so go check it out. I'll leave the video in the description box below. And this is in the shade Bow and Arrow. So that's the lip. It's a creamy to matte, or a satin to matte finish. So now we're gonna change our clothes and fix our hair, and we'll be back with the finished look. Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Does she look like me? Leave your response in the comment box below. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys. Do you want to say anything?
Bye guys.
Anything like else?
No.